Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Excel Tips and Tricks. Today, I'll show you how to use checkboxes to track attendance in Google Sheets. Let's get started. Select the range where you want to add checkboxes. Click on Insert in the menu, then choose Checkbox. Checkboxes will appear in the selected range. Now, you can easily mark attendance by clicking the checkboxes. You can also use a formula to count the number of attendees for each day.
Never saw the ending coming. Oh, I never saw the top of the summit. Oh, asked for the people destined and infinite. Oh, I tried not to call, but girl, I'm desperate. Yeah. You got me sleepless, watching every sunrise. Now I'm wasted, almost every other night. I'm in pieces, taking anything that I can, just to get you out of my head. Just to get you out of my head. Just to get you out of my head.
If you found this tip useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more daily Excel tips. See you tomorrow with another tip.